Welcome to Intel Quick Bites, where we are bringing AI to the retail store. What we have here is an inventory that composes of all of our stocks, but it's an arduous task to have to go through and look at your inventory, figure out what you need to order, look at supply chains, and try to figure that all out. The issue with that is it's costly to retailers. I'm here with Anubhav with Chooch. Can you tell us more about Chooch and the solution that you're offering here?
Absolutely, Brandon. Glad to be here. You're exactly right. The supply chain systems are broken. Nothing has changed over the last 40 years. They're outdated, manual, reactive. There is no real-time visibility. There's no automatic reordering taking place. There's lots of wastage, shrinkage, expiration happening, and clearly the world needs much better productivity. It's very manual in nature. So what are we doing about it? We've actually created an autonomous supply chain based on agentic AI solutions. And it's not only applicable to retail, it can look at inventory management for retailers, QSRs, healthcare systems. And not only does it see, it understands, it's able to automatically reorder, but it's also able to give you information around consumption velocity, demand planning, real estate optimization results because of that. And you can get into supplier governance, you can get into lots of audits. You can actually design a much better supply chain and a much higher level of intelligence.
Oh, wow. And all this is delivered on CPU exclusively with Xeon 6. This allows Chooch to do really fast things with latency because with Intel's AMX, AVX, and OpenVINO technologies, allows them to have the response times they need to update the inventory without the need of a GPU or a cooling system, which keeps costs down for retail environments and other verticals in the industry. Dalton, let's go over a quick demo to check it out closer.
The Chooch inventory management system consists of three main components that include the camera and computer vision detection, the inventory control tower, and our dashboard analytics. This allows us to analyze inventory management, like in this retail example, showcase the live status of any inventory in your retail display or storeroom, and even hospital and healthcare situations like your OR labs and your PAR inventory management centers. Our inventory system consists of computer vision detection, leveraging a foundational LVM, a large vision model, a segmentation model, and a depth model that allow us to actually detect the current status of your inventory and do things like automated replenishment, as well as any additional metrics such as product velocity and product turnover. These are all running on a Cisco USC C220 M8 server with an Intel Xeon 6 CPU. And the acceleration that powers our foundational LVM, segmentation, and depth models is operating on Intel OpenVINO. Now for this retail example, as I grab inventory, we can actually observe through our dashboard analytics the change in inventory and the detection of an empty bin, which will trigger an automated replenishment. As customers begin taking inventory in this retail example, like so, we can observe that on the Chooch inventory control tower and dashboard analytics, we now detect empty, which will trigger an automated reorder of this product, specifically the Skinny Pop. And that's an overview on the Chooch inventory management system.
And Anubhav, how does this expand to other industries and verticals?
That's a great question, Brandon. Every industry has got inventory. Every industry has an SCM practice. Whether it's healthcare, retail, QSRs, manufacturing, everyone has got some products that they are actually stocking, and everyone wants intelligent operations.
Yeah.
And so we believe that the autonomous supply chain is here to stay. It will get driven by agentic AI. That's how you're going to make your operations intelligent, and the time is now.
Yeah, I mean, I can definitely see how it spans across, multiple different verticals. It lowers the cost of having these mundane tasks of inventory and restocking. Great solution. Thank you so much for spending the time showing us today.
Oh, indeed, Brandon. You're absolutely right. I think all solutions have to be technically feasible and economically viable, and I'm glad that Intel and Cisco are bringing all this innovation to the edge. Thank you very much for your time as well.
Thank you.